Bye week, Unveiled. Unlocking English sports terminology. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into the world of sports and unravel the meaning of the term, bye week. If you've ever been puzzled by this phrase while watching or discussing sports, you're in the right place. Bye week refers to a week during which a team, or player, does not have a game or match scheduled. It's a pause, a break in the regular schedule. This term is commonly used in sports leagues, particularly in American football like the NFL. There are a few reasons why bye weeks are integrated into sports leagues. 1. Rest and recovery. Athletes get a chance to rest and recover from minor injuries, reducing the risk of further damage. 2. Strategic planning. Teams can utilize this time to prepare and strategize for upcoming games. 3. Balancing the schedule. In some leagues, there are an odd number of teams, so not every team can play every week. Thus, a rotation system ensures that every team gets a bye. Let's look at some example sentences to see how bye week is used. 1. The Patriots have a bye week, so they won't be playing this Sunday. 2. Our team is using the bye week to focus on training and improving our defense. 3. I'm glad we have a bye week now. It gives us time to analyze our past games and prepare for the next. And there we have it. Now you know what a bye week is and why it's an integral part of many sports leagues. We hope this video has helped clear up any confusion, and next time you hear the term, you'll know exactly what it means. Happy learning and see you in the next video.